Welcome to the Curly Bob Hairstyles collection from MHDPro. This collection teaches 3 curly bob hairstyles with complementary colouring techniques to release, support and enhance exquisite curly hair. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Gary Wu demonstrates a charming technique to support soft curls. Learn how to combine and round layering, graduation and disconnection to create a light internal shape to release the maximum amount of curl. Charmaine Piche continues in Lesson 2 with a quick-fix, salon-friendly colouring technique to add interest to a curly bob shape. Charmaine's tutorial includes advice on colour palette, placement and texture. Lesson 3 outlines a mid-length round graduation on Type 4 hair to add versatility and enhance a very curly hair texture with Hartley. In Lesson 4, Christiano Lanza demonstrates how to do an overlapping tones hair colour technique with 3 zones of overlapping colour gradients moving from muted to vibrant tones. The final result slims the silhouette and supports the expansion of natural texture. And finally, in Lesson 5, Michelle Thompson guides you through a one-length horizontal haircut with disconnection on chemically rearranged Type 4 hair. You will learn pointers on tension, sectioning, over-direction and disconnection to release exquisite and manageable curls. Use our See, Do, Stop, Check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Curly Bob Hairstyles collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Curly Bob Hairstyles collection now only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.